Perspective is an art of technique for creating an illusion of three-dimensional on two-dimensional space. First, we need to do horizontal line and vanishing point, and draw an imaginary line from the vanishing point. Now I am doing one point perspective. In a one point perspective, we have only one vanishing point. The vertical and horizontal lines are parallel in one point perspective. Connecting the imaginary lines to the vertical and horizontal lines, we can create a box like this, or we called as cuboid. Perspective also creates the illusion of depth and distance on a flat surface. There are three basic types of perspective: one point perspective, 2-point perspective, and 3-point perspective. Most of the time, horizontal line and eye level are same. While doing drawing, there is no necessity to draw the horizontal line in the middle of the page. You can draw wherever you want. For example, if you are drawing a below eye level object, you need to compose that object in the middle. So you no need to draw your eye level in the middle of the sheet. You can draw the eye level above the sheet. So your object comes middle of the sheet. Now I am adding another vanishing point in the drawing to make the 2-point perspective. In a 2-point perspective, only vertical lines are in parallel. Both horizontal lines goes towards vanishing points. Now 3-point perspective. In a 3-point perspective, all the lines in the object goes towards the vanishing point. In a 3-point perspective, we have 3 vanishing points. Most of the 3-point perspective drawings are bigger objects like building. In a 2-point perspective, the vertical lines are parallel and 90° in angle, but in 3-point perspective, the vertical lines also goes towards the vanishing point, third vanishing point. Now we are going to draw an object using 2-point perspective. Now I am making a cube. In that cube, I am going to draw a circular object. Now I am erasing the excess lines in the perspectives. Now I am adding another vessel in a same vanishing point, same 2-point perspective. Also, placing a vanishing point in your horizon or eye level is matters when you are drawing a live objects. It is a comparison between size of an object and distance of an object from you. Sometimes vanishing points goes beyond the drawing sheets. For example, if you are drawing one small object and one big object in a same distance, the deviation of perspective lines or angle of imaginary lines are very high in bigger objects. For doing perspective drawing, practicing is must, especially the free lines flowing from left to right, and also draw an imaginary line randomly. Now I am using scale for your better visuals. Now I am drawing a old jar. The common mistakes while doing this jar is eclipse. Both minor and major axes of an eclipse are not in same size in a perspective drawing. Look at the image given above. In a minor axis, both A and B are not in equal size.